Folks, today is grilled cheese Sunday sliders. Let's go ahead and show you how to make these deliciousness for your cheat day. All right, guys, first things first, if you haven't already seen my Sunday slider video, check that out. We have a lot of food on this channel for your cheat day. Comfort food, good recipes. Check out the channel. Let's go ahead and thumbs that video up on the way in. Things you're gonna need here is canola oil for non-stick spray. Doesn't have to be canola oil, but just non-stick spray. You're gonna need a pan. It doesn't have to be a kind of a rimmed one like this. It can be like a non-stick or something like that, but you want it to be able to hold both grilled cheeses if you're gonna be doing two. I'm gonna be doing two. It's my cheat day. I just did a whole box of Cracker Barrel. Best macaroni and cheese, by the way. Okay, so again, cheat day, I eat a lot of food. I literally could probably eat rock under the table on a cheat day. We're gonna be going with 2 grilled cheese sandwiches, so 4 slices. And I really like this. You can also do some what you want is just fluffy, big bread of your choice. I personally like Trader Joe's sliced French brochette, buttery, moist, and perfectly French. Okay, now this is an ingredient that if you are totally against it, you can do butter, but butter is just messy unless you have soft butter, and I like the taste of it. Anyway, organic mayonnaise is gonna be instead of butter. I know, but trust me on this one. It's delicious. We're gonna do a little bit of buffalo sauce right there down the middle of it. And of course, cheese of your choice, but I personally like sharp cheddar myself, shredded cheese. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's lube up our pan here. Nice and generously there. So go ahead and spread on the mayonnaise exactly like you would a normal sandwich. If you guys are doing a dirty cheat day, or if this is just comfort food, you can go ahead and maybe limit that to a nice little thin spread. But I'm like Paula Deen, I like to go more butter, more sugar. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that guy down right over here. Our heat is not on quite yet. We're gonna do the same one to this one. Now we're gonna open up our packet of sharp cheddar, and we're gonna carefully, obviously if it drips over the edge, no worries at all, but we're gonna stack it onto these slices here. Just like this here, we stacked it on nice and thick. If it's kind of wrapped over the edge there, don't worry about that because that's gonna actually cook, and we're gonna put that on our plate in a little bit here. Now, with the remaining 2 slices, depends upon how many sandwiches you're gonna make, but obviously you can do a triple decker if you want, but we're gonna go ahead and lather these pieces up each with mayonnaise now. And before we do press that in, we're gonna go ahead and drizzle a little bit of the buffalo sauce, not too much, because that buffalo sauce, is very overpowering. We're gonna drizzle a little bit on top there. As we can see right there, and those are looking absolutely fantastic. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it on low heat, because we don't wanna obviously burn our bread there. So I go about on gas in between low and 2. We're cooking up real nice. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna take a while for that cheese to heat up, but once you do flip it, obviously the other side will go a little quicker, so make sure that once you do flip it, get a spatula under there, check it. You don't wanna overcook, you don't wanna burn your bread, you want it nice and warm and toasty, the cheese melted in between. All right, we're gonna be flipping these a few times because we want them to go ahead and cook evenly and nicely. As you can see here, this actually side, when I flipped it, I think it got stuck together a little bit over there on that side. So we'll go ahead and flip these back and forth a little bit. Right now our cheese is looking really good. It's starting to melt up on top there. It's looking fantastic. Again, don't worry about that cheese, just don't let it burn. We're gonna be scraping that onto our plate. This is looking fantastic here, folks. Now remember your flip side, so after your first flip, that side underneath, I've actually flipped it back over. Be careful because you will, on camera, it looks a little bit charred, but this is a beautiful sandwich. Don't worry about that. But again, watch that side, flip it back and forth, and then go ahead and slice them how you want them. I sliced them in shapes like this, diagonal. Let's go ahead and take a look at them here. Now again, the cheese is melted. Some of the cheese hasn't melted completely, but I like it like that personally myself. We have the nice buffalo sauce there in the middle. Oh, it is looking absolutely fantastic. So get a great consistency. Folks, this is where it's at. Enjoy your cheat days. Dwayne Rock Johnson, if you want to go ahead and try to out-eat me, I'll probably out-eat you, my friend. I've already done a box of Cracker Barrel. We're looking absolutely fantastic. Folks, this is optional, but I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle some bacon ranch on the side, dipping sauce as well. You guys enjoy your cheat days. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe on your way out. We got plenty of videos. Check the videos out, check the food channel out. Enjoy the cheat day, subscribe. Let's see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.